So it's my pleasure now to introduce Supportiv and Pouria Mojabi, who will be speaking to us about AI for mental and emotional well-being. Everyone, please welcome Pouria.
I have a microphone here. Do I need that one?
Nope, that works.
Okay. Hello, can everyone hear me? Hello, everyone. So my name is Mo. I'm the co-founder of Supportiv. I'm going to grab the clicker. And it's a privilege to be here. Thank you for listening to me. Loneliness, isolation, and stress are the daily struggles of being a human in 2019. Where do I point at? Oh, there we go. Do I point at this? There we go. OK, I have to point here. OK, I'm going to start again. Isolation, loneliness, and stress are the daily struggles of being a human in 2019. Our community used to notice us when we were down, when we needed help. We've completely destroyed that by all the stuff we use every day. If you need professional help, you know where to go, your professional network. If you need help broadcast things to friends and family, you know where to go. But what if you're dealing with something? What if you have a struggle? Where do you go? Now there is Supportiv, the support network. We have no boring clinical forms, no sign-ups, no registrations. It's just one thing. What is your struggle? You literally type all anonymously, and our AI takes care of everything else. We offer 24/7, less than a minute support for everyday struggles, regardless of the topic. We offer precision peer support using AI-driven NLP. And we do resource matching in real time, and we become the gateway to all the other healthcare resources in the ecosystem. The initial work was inspired by my work on the DNA data. I spent years on precision medicine, looking at DNA for disease prevention and cancer prediction. I moved the concept of DNA alignment to language processing and started aligning different struggles. Now, with more than 10 million conversation data, we trained our own language models, and when it comes to emotional and mental well-being, our corpus beats everything else that's out there. Here's the puzzle our AI solves at any given moment. With your incoming struggle, we figure out the closest match and the highest correlation to the active support groups we have on the platform. If we don't have a group open that matches your struggle, we create a new one just for you to offer you support. At any given time, we can have thousands of millions of these support groups happening in parallel. A lot of that is happening right now, every day. We have thousands of support groups every day. At the heart and center of every peer group, there's a human. Humans are trained by us. We have an online course with our Stanford advisor, Dr. Martinez. And we put all these individual humans through training. These are like Uber and Lyft drivers. They get push notification from us, and we have moderators from over 25+ countries to offer 24/7 support. We have calendar built-in, personalization, signals, what topic matches their interest, and what topic they perform best. And we match them to your support group. This is a true gig economy job. If you have a mobile device or a laptop with internet connection, you can join our team. Here's a quick demo of the resource matching. This resource matching is pretty interesting because unlike your newsfeed where you click on things and they see what you're interested in and they personalize it based on that, we have to understand your struggle and match it to a content and resource in real time. It's a completely different equation to solve. And we have a library of resources that we built in-house. We have a talented team of content writers, and we also connect to other partners and resources outside in the healthcare ecosystem. There's a ton of research on the efficacy of peer support groups. We just figured out how to make it intelligent and scalable globally. We're creating our own market segment, and we're overlapping with mental health, self-help, and social network markets. And it's a massive market opportunity. Between me and my co-founder is right here, Helena, We've built and scaled over dozens of direct-to-consumer and B2B apps. I was the co-founder of Vitagen before this, and Helena grew the previous healthcare startup from 0 to $5 million revenue. The collective knowledge is reflected in the business model. We have direct-to-consumer, pay-as-you-go model. You can subscribe monthly. And on the B2B side, we have license, bundled minutes, and CPT codes. These are our chat ratings. If you combine 5 stars and 4 stars, we have over 86% rate. And we're actually overwhelmed by the positive feedback we receive from the community. We also have a text box where you can tell us what worked and what didn't work. And 7 out of 10 fill out that text box and tell us how this made them feel after the support group is over. We're passing 100,000 users, and it's growing exponentially on the direct-to-consumer side and also on the B2B side. We've generated we're a 7-figure revenue. We generated over $1.6 million in our first year, and projecting to do way more in our next year. Esther Dyson, some of you may know, connected me to my co-founder. She's the first venture capitalist first female venture capitalist and an active healthcare investor. Jacob Ryder, Obama's chief medical officer. They're one of our two of our high-profile angel investors. If you need to search something, you go to Google. If you want to broadcast to friends and family, go to Instagram. If you need support with daily life, you come to Supportiv. Thank you so much. Yeah, so AI figures out the matching resources, and then moderator shares it with the group. So ultimately, there's a human in charge who figures out whether it's the right thing to recommend this or not. But AI collects and gathers and pushes the recommendations to the moderator.